you must begin to teach your body how it will feel emotionally if you already had the thing or things that you are manifesting. That's right. You have to teach your body. I'm talking about in real time, in your present reality. You must begin to teach your body emotionally how it would feel if you already had the thing or the things that you are looking to manifest. Because you must understand first that energy, emotion are one and the same. Emotions is energy in motion. You have to know that you are a walking, energetic, vibrational being. So if you are walking around in lack or in a state of belief that the thing that you are looking to manifest, if you are feeling that you don't have it internally, then you have to know that you will never have it externally. This is because life is a reflection of your unconscious energies. And the thing is, if you don't know how to rewire or repattern your outdated energies, then you're never going to obtain certain high-level realities. This is why you see a lot of people that walk around who you know that you are way smarter than, way more, creative than, just overall, you're a better natural being, but their reality looks way better than your reality. Meaning they may have more money, they may have more opportunities, they may have a better life, than you. But like I said, you know that you are more intelligent, you are more everything than them, but life is somehow treating them more better than you. This is because life, the universe, doesn't go off of intellect. Everything is about energy. What is your vibrations? What energy are you walking around in? What thoughts and beliefs, limited beliefs are you holding on to? And this is why you see a lot of people out here winning in life and you're not, because you still haven't figured the game out. You're thinking too deeply about things. It's time to learn that you live in an energetic universe, and it's about your energy and your vibration. So this is why you must intentionally feel good every day. You must intentionally rewire your energetic field. This is why you must do this intentionally and show yourself, show your body how you will already feel if you already had these things. Because these things, these manifestations, these material things are just representations of energy. Like, think about it right now. If you wanted to manifest an extra $20,000 by the end of the month, you wanted an extra $20,000. Think about it right now. Think about how you would feel if you already had that $20,000. Because I guarantee you, if that money came in your physical life, all that's going to happen is your energy is going to go up. You're going to feel more happier. You're going to feel more lit. So guess what? Those same energies, you have access to those energies right now in your real life. So you must find some type of way to gravitate towards those energies. Think about things that you already enjoy in your regular life right now that feel similar to if you already had that $20,000. Think about what already makes you happy. Think about what already makes you smile. Think about, just think about things that you already have that gives you that same type of vibration. And the thing is, you must maintain that energy. See, the thing a lot of people don't realize is, you can sit and imagine and visualize all of the good energy and things like that. But as soon as you're done thinking about it, you got to think about, like, what energies are you tapping back into? When you go back to being your regular normal self, which is most of the time low vibrational or not a high vibrational energy, then you got to know that you are in that paradigm. You are in alignment with those energies. So like I said, you must find a way to emotionally connect with the energy that's already inside of you so you can reprogram your body to know that that's the type of energy that you're on now. And that's going to take practice. That's going to take you being surrounded by like-minded individuals. That's going to take a certain type of discomfort at first, because your body is not used to feeling good all day. Your body is not used to feeling these higher vibrations. So you're naturally going to just want to stop doing it, which is the crazy part about it. Like, it's like you could be feeling good, but after you feeling good for a certain amount of time, your old normal paradigm, your old normal ego self, you're going to go back to just wanting to feel normal again. You're going to be like, I did that today. I did that for a few minutes. Let me go back to my normal self. Now, that's crazy when you think about it. If you just put yourself in a higher vibration, you was in higher alignment, you was thinking about great things, why would you ever want to go back down here when you just was up here? So this is where you need a coach to come in. This is when you need to be surrounded by like-minded individuals who are already on the path, and they are consistent with staying in tune with the higher frequencies. Because if you are not aligning with the higher frequencies and the higher energies, you're naturally going to go back down. So this is why you need to become a part of the dream team. You need to sign up with the Magical Manifestors. It's completely free. When you sign up to the community, you're going to have full access to all of my private lives. You're going to have full access to all of my private, not private, but my live events when we go out on these tours and things like that. You know, you need community. People think that they can do this by themselves, which you can do it by yourself, but trust me, it's going to be a whole lot harder. Why make something hard when you can just, connect with people who have already been in your position? You don't have to make life hard. That's a program, a subconscious program that's been instilled inside of you, that everything has to be hard. You don't have to work hard to succeed in life. You don't have to work hard to have things that you naturally deserve. But if you don't have access, and if you don't know how to get there, then guess what? It's going to be hard for you. So this is why I'm inviting you to become a part of this community. We're growing every single day. Me and my team have worked with over 1,000 people. And guess what? The proof is in the pudding. You can check my page. I have written testimonials from people that have helped take their lifestyle to different levels and different paradigms. So if you are tired of complaining, you're tired of your manifestations not showing up, you're tired of doing the same things every day, become a part of the team. Join the dream team. You should be done with phase 1. You've been studying this information for years. You've been trying this, trying that, and nothing's been working. This is because you have not joined the correct community, and you need community. Because most of the time when you're into this type of stuff, you're most likely the only person that you're the only one that's really doing this type of work, number one. I'm pretty sure that you don't have a lot of friends and family who's into, creating their reality and universe and things like that, but yeah, so do yourself that favor. You truly deserve it. You don't want to waste any more time. Become a part of the community today. This is something that is life-changing, and you have to know that everything is a sign. If you came across this video and you're still watching up until this far, you really want to do it. If you don't take action, I'm here to tell you that you are self-sabotaging. You self-sabotaging. You're getting thrills off of watching the content. And then guess what happened? That lower self kicks in. That devil creeps in and tell you, I don't have to take action right now. Or I can keep pushing it off. Oh, I'm tired. I'm going to do it later. Guess what? You're going to keep making excuses. There's always going to be an excuse. Anytime you're about to do something great, you have to know that the lower forces, the lower energies have to step in to try to make you not do it. You have to override those outdated programs, that those parasites that want you to be in the same position. And if you don't have that power to do that, you're just going to be continuously watching from the sideline while we out here winning, getting to the money, leveling up, taking vacations, traveling, being great while you just watching on the phone, watching other people win. Come on now. You bigger than that. So do yourself that favor. Take action. Go to CoachKey08@gmail.com. Sign up. Type Dream Team /manifest. Dream Team /manifest. And I'm going to send you out my introduction package, and we're going to get you started. So, yeah. Do yourself that favor.